we want the units position, in the units position, we want there to be a 6. So we want to change this number to be this, 56.1037, because that's the units digit. Well, I need to multiply 5610.37 times 10 to the negative 2 to move that decimal place 2 places to the left. But the way this problem is set up, your factor of 10 is in the denominator. So this would be 5610.37 over 10 squared. Because if you remember, when you move this to the opposite place it's in, it's going to change the sign of your exponent. That will turn into 10 to the negative 2. Or you can also think of it, you've got this number here. If you move this to the bottom, it's going to turn into this. Move this 10 to the negative 2 to the bottom, and it will change the negative 2 to a positive 2. I hope that helps.